This video explains the extraction of aluminium by electrolysis of alumina. The electrolysis of alumina is carried out in a steel tank. The hanging carbon block acts as anode, and the carbon lining acts as cathode. The electrolyte is a mixture of alumina, Al2O3, cryolite, Na3Al(F)6, and small amount of fluorspar, Ca(F)2. Cryolite lowers the melting point of alumina, and fluorspar increases the electrical conductivity of the electrolyte. When the electricity is passed through the electrolyte, the alumina is ionized into aluminium and oxide ions. Unlike charges attract each other, hence, the positive aluminium ions will attract towards carbon lining cathode, and the negatively charged oxide ions will attract towards carbon anode. At cathode, aluminium will gain electrons and will form aluminium metal. Molten metal will sink to the bottom of the tank, and aluminium is collected.